Ebusian for my mouth akwaba eba Ghana Sem TVGH Mesrel. Like, comment, subscribe, and no notification no. So that anytime you post a video, we have some make Ebusian for one of my favorite scriptures. Obi I'll share platform we be on one name say about the voice there. The scripture that says you shall hold the Lord shall fight for you, shall hold your peace. I think that's Exodus 14:14. Any my favorite scripture. In everything, almost everything. Me yeah, they be named Sadia me right and people are misconceiving it and and I always leave it to that scripture say Yakupon Bekasa. Now the reason I'm saying this and yes me also for is because of Akufo-Addo. Ukraine say Akufo-Addo second tenure agenda media for Nibi. In fact, almost all of them. A year you tia Akufo-Addo ne MPP abai na easy. Easy. At a point in time, Krana will be Akufo-Addo say, Phyllis says, Sankrofo, Nyama Muyeno. How does it feel about all of it? Or say, I prefer a noisy media to a silent media or a dead media. And trust you me, no NDC person can make such statement. Be any NDC more because say or nyanka per se a media no or multimi kasa munya sakukudru. No one is going to kind of say try to intimidate them and all those things, try to cow them into submission. Now, nobody in NDC can say that. Now here is a catch. Omanhene kwabna Asante ene me de say onu neka asofo asem. Onuneka say, most of our clergymen, they have not been very truthful with Ghanaians. Ebano, some of the things I ekosu NDC aban we mu. Omanhene ankasa, akwabna Asante. Onuneka ekosisen. Because ye kai say under Akufo-Addo, asofo ni bi. Omuko asori amuko preachia. Any Bible nsensemo, Debbie. They go with laptop. Then they were projecting, say, our water was getting bad. Galamsey, some pastors even went to the extent, say, no mu lay cases on Akufo-Addo nini Bushian for. Say, omuno muye Galamsey. Ye ka na ye say MPP for na ye Galamsey and ye to about the tia MPP na NDC bar. Galamsey bejai. And they were able to sell this news, this kind of say story. Our media landscape. MPP, we could not defend ourselves. And Galamsey I kosu wa man we muno unprecedented. And I came across a video and Chinese for me no be kwa na omo kunwo Galamsey site na nya easy. Na ba kokra cry there o person do hwi ni nua 80. Right? Ni nyina ko so ojo mama aban we mu. But who speak? Obi ankasa say MPP 4 anka. Spa say asofo fo be kasa de lie. Nipa akoka ye no. Onu na NDC 4 esuma omuma me ba kwa woman ba kwa e friend no Mary. Se onko kana dwinche papa no. Enne aye kasa Mary na kasa wan ba bocha abe pa cho. But still juma oye no ogusu ye juma no. Obia ntimi pa mo no. No accountability. No fear. Enne koso o jomama ban we mu. And it said, Kwabna Omanhene, Kwabna Asante, ene. Ono atimi hwe light ne hu say, sana enye MPP 4. Na sofo 4 so are part of the problem. Then Yakupo say, we move to the next. Today, when they walk Ghana, apa which man can press Galamsey no. Tibetisa so for them kasi e kutia Galamsey na e former. Ana me borrow James Jenin Boatin baby I will be I cringe. Me would timi dreamy. Say and never Ghana no utimi kase Galamsey to kwana ye kon ye din kudimana. It's not true. And then you credit down so say sa Galamsey kon eye me ene wo eye me ne wo na ye esese ye hweda sa ntokwa no ye kumanisi. It's not true.
enti adwene na nkasa yɛde chichiri man adwene yɛde bɔ man ho bra enipa dodo na so enya akwanya be ya kendifo no I don't think they still understand that omo be som yen I don't think they still understand that eye tu ho acha adwuma bia ese biribia da obo mampanyi manitimi nya na ni so ade hunu ene the team podo na the so etimi bem enya possible if you even look at the code of ethics or conduct for ministers abayamu nipa fo say see the sad dey Jesus sudua pa dia abayamu nipa fo na nkasa mpanyfo abayamu ka kire so also the Jesus sudua a lot of ministers a lot of DCs a lot of people should go home if you have a whole regional chairman central regional chairman ebien na no call radio to say or the tax ebeko akwa attack because his claim is that obi kasa bia and then eye ntwato so na person protecting it and then president mama and then anado baby ombutu bia meche and then Ghana obi awa ha mu so this mindset that is the problem I keep having with politicians in opposition this same central regional chairman with sa no be kasa what mean kasa sa and dey bia da me catch wrong who kuta eye dentwie podua o kasa se do eye dentwie muana mu o kuta dentwie ni podua o kasa se do eye dentwie na mu na how on earth ana obetima nya akukudura kasa already say obi aka asema sebe egu mfi obi ani ho a obefo asa asem no so se de o kan mpo endo kura ana asa de tia you don't have any right to yeah it hey official sema kan fa sebe abamu mpanyfo opposition for enipa binimo mo yo modma ni nyina na yo mo de dabi but one thing central you say obi enfo now sometimes I'm amazed at politicians what they do and what they say that convenience at every point in time why so we are central regional chairman of NDC so who akukudro so timi borua radio station the task go ekotum the show bottom with the consent of the MC. Can you imagine the country we are building? Is this reset?
Yeah, national media.
Is this reset?
Send your police station.
Is this reset? No port no collocate on the black. Sometimes I don't understand politicians. Are they looking for the best for majority of us as a people or one selfish interest? And then the woman say, "Oh, pie, say emoji na beba, and white na beba." So even in our quest to reset, bibia ya reset bia in Omanhene. Ye moya ho titru moya mom to me say omfa nyina ban na mu titru mensin crash for. Do na modimbo below the mark. Do na. I think that most of them don't hear so much no more car fitani. No more two and fruit, no more ba. Sa keke. Because mine a selective justice kwana say home. And ne so MC no jo catch say ya so den yesi mensi e dai wa ha. Who MC now who catch them and who me ma interview na catch them say me kwabena sati maso den ana me ye kazi me si dan wa ha ana dan do na si hanyina omu ni permit e dan na omu kwa da omu ntia wo iti me no me nya de me no me nya de
na wo yes I interview na ya na
yeah I'm surprised because
say who ensentweni
I'm surprised
na who so
I'm surprised
your person o che say oni answer bi oni solution
I'm surprised me no me de obi a ye ne de na afamu de se me kwabna sante makotu anamon bia ne o assembly ne hihye ne bo abra o sa ba be lament ti say the men meti am lament na me mo tumi a se nka me mo obi nkutu sa anamon no because we quite provided the necessary and your man here say betima mo adwuma no etimi adimu na wie peyo. That's why it always say that issue of say beto mensin cratch for no so aba no de bia adam ka say bo yansa nyi na obi it's very important because when him okoye nsu no and no be job. Me say you get your 32. Say you no now wo papa. What's the diet baby enye papa. Mensin cratch the crown. He's been charitable with you. One no bon come come no quite so fast or free. Where we are now come be 32 as what? What has that got to do with any pam pim it's in danger because of usuma ba kwa na ne ba kubia o ya ensem fata. So no crepa ni say ya moya ho enen so eto ewie wona no nkran kodiem han me say ya ade na akosi wo sent infirmantema eja akoto yi electricity post ahodo ni na acha eto for man because you should yi ase nyina ye nyina ye koye ba ECG fo koba mensin crash fo koba ye nyina ye koba obi a koba obi aso hu enti say o ka dem say eya me ene wo me ne wo no sa me ne wo no in the words of Steve Mensah of Paymisachiao. And on I say, on my no chichiriano, baby, I do you to me. I shall say, oh, you're mensing cratchet. You have a certain jurisdiction. I own our shasu. It is the yes thing to be our hobiano. You don't expect to say, me di bonnie, I mean, say me di bonnie. Oh, my car and chair, but me, I mean, jai. How do I change? That is why you have been given the power to enforce. Now, say enforcement your problem. Why do you come to blame me? I didn't hear because who a woman you say, ye the aman yourself for an amount to be a year to a man disease.
And now, say a kukudro suwom, a filer. Yeah, we need to Now, filer was bold to say, Ninya call from Jubilee House. Now, filer chrono, say there be call no name free or make no man no from ye. Because and yes, our directive no na ubenya and Kaduma na warrior and Kakudra or the bayano. And so obey chasso.
Or say obi ministries. So I was shocked. Obi ministries.
There's a ministry there.
No, but the point that Obi ministries into the Edika Korano. Who as MC in Obi ministry of our home.
Or no need to me, bro. MC in so Efreo. And
I'm say you don't even need somebody to prompt you and say, oh, my way said, my way said, don't tell us this. What we want to see and hear is that you, Unaya Mansi Kratch Lanquantanai Medina. It's in Yoma Bia Koso, no one in Hinano Kurano, a Ghana Casa or Nipe di Jawodim. Ya block main road. What is he doing about
assembly?
Yes. I know create the Jawodim. And your man, I bet you know, Yenina saying na Facebook ray. I didn't or Palm Nipper to Copper and non quite the topic for the day. Face or did you cry or see a free cabin? They said, Yabato,
bloggers, baby.
Yabato Ghana, no. Minister, see, DC, the Director General, see, by Chief Executive, we see for the Kelma, and you know, yes, Jinaho, near Chan and Pabua, near Chan and Brosi, the Nanti or Nanti, and go for it's just development, it's just progression. Hey, you're so petty. And come on, you're not into the entertainment world. And come on, you're Jackie Apia, Monesa, and Confon, no Mono Cabinet 247. Now, Minister, a fashionista now. Minister, DC, MC, Oko Fashion Square now. They walk now, Kwana. Roll up your sleeves and get out of that fashion mindset. And na coffee crown no crown. Why say? Now watch what they actually. No, I say. No, I don't understand how people now see public office holding. Me tell you.
Asempa FM.
And at the end, Ebobo Ghana. Yes, sir. I said the DSU MPP. One way I'm straight. MPP. They have to set up. And we they are noisy on these matters. One kasau. And a bia musa. One kasa. Now say, oh yeah, abua konkontiba. No.
We can categorically state that until yesterday, the 24th of June, Madam Sedinam Tamaklo was not in prison custody. And so from the 9th of June when she arrived to the 24th of June yesterday, she was not in prison custody. That is a matter of record. Again, she was only sent to prison custody, as I said, on the 24th of June, 15 clear days. And that was why the Minister for Interior could confidently come out yesterday. And so if you observe, following her return, the communication was by the Minister for Communication. And that had a lot of controversy. And that is why the media kept pressing. And yesterday, when she was admitted into prison custody, that was when the Minister for Interior came out. We can again confirm that she is in the female prison of a medium prison installation. But we are not going to put the name of the facility out. We are not going to put the name of the facility out for the following reasons. One, our intelligence is that she went in under protest, because her assurance was that they were not going to have her go into prison custody and that they were going to work around the clock to have the decision overturned so that she will have her liberty. It is only because of the public pressure that the government has decided to deliver her into prison custody. Our intel is also that they have also assured her that whichever is earlier, be it the public pressure coming down or the decision of the court coming out, she will be made to go out. And so we do not want to put the name of the facility out just to prevent the situation where they will come out and say that because of her security, they are moving her from the facility. We are keeping an eye on the situation and will continue to update the general public on this matter. But we can tell you that she is in prison custody now. She was admitted yesterday, and that she has been given assurances. Another assurance she has been given is that they are going to work around the clock to have the decision overturned. I am a lawyer, and I don't know how it is going to be done. Government is the only one that can say so, but this is the assurance they have given her. But we want to sound a word of caution to government. The Ghanaian people are watching us very closely as political class. They are tired of the way and manner we protect, or government protects their own when it comes to corruption and corruption-related cases. Ghanaians are tired. They can't have it anymore. We must be seen to be acting on corruption and not protecting our own. That has been the trend with this government. Since it assumed office, it filed nolle prosequi in cases in respect of cases which members of the NDC were standing trial. And now it is playing games with the conviction and the sentencing of Sedinam Tamaklo. Indeed, by preventing her from serving the prison term for the 15 days that she has been in Ghana, government has interfered with a lawful order of a court of competent jurisdiction, and that is contempt of court. And the government will only do that because Madam Sedinam Tamaklo is one of its own, and that has been the trend. That said, we want to state that we are going to keep an eye on the matter. We are going to keep an eye on the matter. The trend cannot be that anytime an NDC member falls foul of the law, the person is protected and the person is prevented from or secured from facing the law. We are keeping an eye on the matter. Thank you very much.